Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Threehouse. Today we're going to do some math. Yesterday, Mrs. Sirokis introduced tape diagrams to you. Tape diagrams are just another tool that you can use to help you solve problems. So it's kind of like a strategy that you can choose to use when you're trying to solve, especially a word problem. And we need to remember the RDW strategy. We read the word problem, we draw a tape diagram and label it. We write a number sentence and a statement that matches the story. And this is an example of a tape diagram. Let's say the story was something like, Ruthie had 5 toys, then I bought 4 more toys. How many toys does Ruthie have now? So I drew 5, I drew 4, and notice I made open circles and colored in circles to show the difference between my parts. And I put a big box around all of them and a line in between so that each part was in its own box. Okay, I labeled this 5 and this 4. And then I can count and figure out how many there are altogether. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I made these 2 little lines that go together to point to the 9. Here's my number sentence. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And of course, we're always remembering in addition, part plus part equals whole. So that's just an example. Let's do a couple more together. Okay, so this word problem says, there were 6 fish in the tank. Dad got some more fish. Now there are 11 fish in the tank. How many fish did Dad buy? Okay, so remember, RDW. I read the problem. Now I'm going to draw a tape diagram and label it. So there were 6 fish in the tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Dad got some more fish. Now there are 11 fish in the tank. All right, so I know that one of the parts is 6. I do not know the other part. That's the part that Dad bought. But I do know the whole. The whole is 11. So 6 is the part I know. Okay, what I'm going to do is start on 6, count up and draw more, and stop when I get to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the missing part. There's 11 in the whole. To figure out what the number is that goes there, the number that tells how many fish Dad bought, I'm going to count the ones that I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 plus 5 equals 11. And now I'm going to go back. I've written my number sentence. I'm going to go back and finish the statement. Dad bought 5 fish. Okay, let's try another one. 12 people are on a roller coaster. 4 adults are on the roller coaster. The rest are children. How many children are on the roller coaster? All right, so I know that there's 12 people in all. 4 of the people are adults. I don't know how many are children. That's the part that I'm trying to figure out. Okay, I'm going to try a subtraction number sentence with this one. So 12 is the whole. That's all of the people that are on the roller coaster minus the 4 adults will equal the children. Okay, I'm going to go and draw my tape diagram. I know that there's 12 people on a roller coaster, so I'm going to draw 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to put a big long box around it. It kind of looks like a piece of tape. That's why it's called a tape diagram. Okay, so there's my 12 people. 4 of them are adults. So I'm going to color in 4 of my circles, and then I'm going to put a line. This shows the 4 that are the adults. Remember, there's 12 in all, and this part is going to be the part that is children. So I'm going to count those to figure out my missing part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 minus 4 equals 8. And I always have to remember to go back up and answer the statement or fill in the statement. There are 8 children on the roller coaster. Okay, boys and girls. So those are a couple examples of tape diagrams. Today we're just practicing what Mrs. Sorokas taught you yesterday. It's great to practice things a bunch of times until you can really get it. The big thing about tape diagrams is to make sure you label. So I just went back and put in the 8 there. I forgot to do that. Label your parts. Label the hole, make those lines that go down to the hole, or it can go up either way. It's kind of like a number bond. Part plus part equals whole. All right. I'm going to put up a page for you to look at and you to try some problems at home. So what you can do is just kind of stop the video in just a second and get a piece of paper and then read these problems and draw a tape diagram, write a number sentence, figure out the answer, and remember to fill in the answer in the blanks. So I hope now that this lesson is over, you'll go ahead and get a piece of paper and try these out at home, practicing your tape diagram strategy. Okay, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. We miss you.